Our top story now, and Union Minister Hardeep Puri has hit back with a blazing attack at Rahul Gandhi over his Epstein files claim. Hardeep Puri slammed Rahul for making baseless allegations in Parliament without authenticating his claims. He clarified that his name was mentioned in the 3 million emails only 3 times. Puri said his interactions with Jeffrey Epstein had nothing to do with his criminal activities and that he met him only once, that too as a part of a peace delegation. Rahul Gandhi had alleged earlier that the government was silent over Hardeep Puri's name being mentioned as part of the Epstein files and claimed that the government and the Prime Minister were under pressure.
In 8 years, there are 2 references or 1 email which I exchange, which is because they have introduced me, that is, my contacts have introduced me to a man called Reid Hoffman. Epstein files, the Yuva Neta should know, are about wrongdoing, criminal offenses. The Epstein files are about charges that he had an island where he used to take people to indulge their sexual fantasies, charges of pedophilia, and there are victims of this. Those victims have brought cases against the people in authority. My interaction has got nothing to do with that. अरे राहुल बाबा, इसको पढ़ लेते. आपने जब बात की, प्रियंका जी ने बात की, बाकियों ने बात की, मेरा नाम एप्स्टाइन, वो हजारों मेम्स बन गई हैं. वो कह रहे हैं कि वो बड़े जो वर्ल्ड लीडर्स है वो लपेट में आ गए और मेरा देश, मेरा भारत महान है और मैं डिजिटल इंडिया की बात कर रहा हूं. सो आई वांट टू थैंक देम कि उन्होंने मेरा नाम लिया. कई इस दुनिया में लोग हैं जो मुझे नहीं जान पाते, बट थैंक्स टू दिस काइंड ऑफ बफूनरी, I am getting a chance to talk to you also.
All right, let's go across to Himanshu now for more on this entire, issue that has taken place, this back and forth. And Himanshu, Hardeep Puri, responding in a very long, comprehensive press conference. He took lots of questions on it and, made the point that, yes, Epstein files are notorious. It is to do with, the island and pedophilia and all sorts of allegations of sexual misconduct. But his interaction, his emails, there were just 3, and that had nothing to do with any of this. In fact, it had to do with trying to sell India, in a sense, sell the market in India and promote India to, another audience. So Hardeep Puri, they're responding to what Rahul Gandhi raised in Parliament.
That's right, and that is the primary ground on which the government has hit back at Rahul Gandhi. Remember when Rahul Gandhi was taking part in the budget debate and he got up and while responding to the budget proposals and the US trade deal, he had mentioned Hardeep Puri's name. And remember at that time only the Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju had got up and he had demanded that Rahul Gandhi should authenticate the allegations that he has made, and that is exactly what sources are now telling us, that the government wants that a notice should be issued to Rahul Gandhi and he has to authenticate on what basis, on the basis of which document he has levelled such serious allegations. So while Hardeep Puri has now spoken out, perhaps for the first time on his name being mentioned and linked with Epstein, but on the other side in Parliament, sources are telling us that the government is now planning to move a notice against Rahul Gandhi, and government will be demanding that Rahul Gandhi must authenticate on what basis he made these serious allegations. This is the point that was made inside the House when Rahul Gandhi was speaking, and at that time Rahul Gandhi had insisted that he could authenticate on the basis of which he is making his statements, and he has shown the US Department of Justice report also saying that this is mentioned there. But now government is insisting that Rahul Gandhi will have to authenticate all these allegations that he has levelled against Hardeep Puri. So while on the one side Hardeep Puri, a very categorical assertion about his role and his name being linked with Epstein, that clarification has come. Now I think we'll have to wait and see what Rahul Gandhi will do next, considering the fact that both Hardeep Puri has clarified and government on the other side has demanded Rahul Gandhi must authenticate on what basis he levelled these serious allegations. Gagi.
That's right, Himanshu. Thanks so much for joining us with all those details. And as you mentioned, that's the first time Hardeep Puri has countered all these charges. The fact that his name features, in a sense, there is an exchange with Jeffrey Epstein, but explaining really the context of that interaction. So let's take a look at this showdown over the Epstein files. Rahul Gandhi's charge was that the Department of Justice in the US files show Puri's name in the Epstein file, which is a very broad statement. Of course, the names, there was an interaction. He says, want to ask who introduced Epstein to Hardeep Puri. And he says, after being questioned by Kiran Rijiju, that I can clearly authenticate the data, and government hasn't responded for the last 18 months. So that was Rahul Gandhi's mention of Hardeep Puri and the Epstein files in Parliament. Shortly after that, we saw the Union Minister Hardeep Puri for the first time. Remember, this has been a talk on social media, and of course those files have been seen, and there's this interaction between Hardeep Puri and Jeffrey Epstein. So finally Hardeep Puri explaining the context of that interaction in that press conference, saying that there are just 3 to 4 references with involving him out of 3 million mails over several years. He says, I met Epstein as part of the Peace Institute and talked about Make in India in my email to Epstein. He says Epstein insulted India, in fact calling me two-faced, so saying that he lost interest in Hardeep Puri, and that he in fact insulted him, calling him two-faced as well, and explaining the context in which he was mentioned, or he had an interaction with Jeffrey Epstein.